we've been able to, every time you've come up, I've been able to describe the animal with my hand gestures, and you've been able to come up, get the card, and say the name of the card. So now I'm going to challenge you. And so I'm going to say, I'm not going to use my hands to describe the animal. I'm just going to speak to you as if I was having a conversation with you. So now we're going to know whether you really do understand the sentences that describe the vocabulary. ¿Dónde está el animal que es grande, tiene las orejas grandes, tiene una trompa larga y es gris? ¿Puedes venir a buscar la carta? Muy bien, aplauso. And you get to keep the card. Okay, take the card. Very important. That's the reward. It may not seem important to you, but it's really, really an effective tool that they get to keep the card. So don't forget to let them have it. Okay, so now we know that Marilyn is able to understand, right, the complete sentence. That is the first accessible. That we know that Marilyn can now understand those few sentences around that vocabulary word.